Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Dwi Wahyurianto from 12 Sense 1. Today, I want to tell you about how has a pandemic changed our lives. Before I deep in this speech, it will be nice if we pay attention to the environmental environment. Today, are many disasters happening everywhere that make motherland grieve. One example is the spread of the coronavirus. Ladies and gentlemen, we already know before the pandemic entered, our lives were running smoothly, normally, and there was nothing to fear like the previous days. They did the activities without the slightest obstacles ranging from work, school, and so on. And now, after the pandemic has come in, that's when life changed a little but not like today. In the beginning of the pandemic, there were still many people who didn't believe it, and there were still many people moving as usual as if there was no such virus. But now, it has changed a lot, fear everywhere. There is a distance that must be maintained to exception with his own family. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, every day there is news about an ongoing pandemic like the softening of people exposed to the coronavirus, the number of deaths that continue to rise every day. Either this is caused by negligence of the community itself or because of the rapid spread of the virus. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in addition to the above factors, there are several factors that also affect the surrounding environment, such as number 1, educational factors, where originally face-to-face learning is now turning into distance learning. It can result in a student attitude and behavior changing. Number 2, economic factors, the number of employees who were fired due to a severe pandemic. And as a result of this dismissal, many people are unemployed, and there are many other factors. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the many rules that apply during the current pandemic that we must abide by for the sake of mutual safety. That also impacts students and the wider community. For example, the rules of wearing a mask and maintaining distance when doing activities outside the home, which is intended to reduce the chance of spread of COVID-19. And they are also willing to risk their lives making a living for their survival, even though it's very threatening to their lives. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the positive and negative effect of the pandemic itself. Here are the positive of the pandemic. Number 1, the sense of togetherness between families is more intertwined due to the application of restriction on community activities itself. Number 2, learning activities can be done at home without any problems between distance and learning. And the negative effect of the pandemic itself are as follows. Number 1, teaching and learning activities are not effective because if you follow distance learning for too long, it can decrease in learning achievement. Number 2, limited device and internet access, use online or working. Okay, so that the material that I can convey hopefully can be useful for all of us. We don't know when this pandemic will continue. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.